Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I played some Grid Runner over the Christmas break, and now that has got me in the mood to actually get these sets printed out and painted up. So to start off with, I have Janet Jet as one of the runners from the first set. She was black and white zenithally primed, and to start painting her, I go over pretty much everything with lead grey. I just leave her hair and the face essentially. I am planning on using this colour as a shared shadow colour for the different panels on her suit. This way it just sort of blends everything together. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been hobbying on. Next up, I get the mid-tone for the strappings and the harder armour parts using reddish grey. To add a little extra highlight on these parts, I went around with warm grey and just brought up the areas facing upwards. For the more fabric and rubber looking parts, I started to bring them up and add some variation in using Eidolon grey. touching up these parts and getting a quick highlight, I grabbed Rodent Grey. Now the bulk of the mini has finished, I get started on the skin with a once over of a sunny skin tone. Adding in a quick highlight on the skin, I brought up all of the raised parts with pale skin. Now to get that bright pink hair started, I grabbed Cyber Pink and just gave it all a once over as the shadow colour. Bringing up the upper strands of the hair, I went for Squid Pink. Getting the metal parts done now, I used plate armor over all of these. There aren't many metal parts on this, so it's mostly just to break up some of the parts on the suit. I don't get it on camera, but I do also do the visor in this as well. Moving on to the washes, I start off with Magi Purple Wash over the grey tin on the base. Washing the tiles, weapons and visor now, I used Aztec Turquoise Wash. Finishing up, I thinned down some dark tone wash. I went over all of her suit and lightly over her skin. And that will be it for Janet Jet. I like how she came out, and now that I've actually had a proper look at this mini, she is far more detailed than I expected. which isn't necessarily a bad thing, it's just something I need to remember when I paint up more of the Grid Runner minis. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You'd also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been hobbying on. For those of you who want to pick up some new minis or just some painting supplies, then we have a video link in the description to Wayland Games. To get a closer look at this mini, you can check out my Instagram page. If you enjoyed the video or found it useful, don't forget to drop it a like and subscribe for more content. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.